Buying Bitcoin on Cash App with the debit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Bitcoin on the Cash App with the debit card. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin, you won't be able to buy the Bitcoin directly from the Cash App. In order to do that, you need to have a debit card, which is also called as Cash Card in the Cash App. So how can you get that? In order to get that, you simply have to go to your Cash App, and there you have to tap on this card section, and you will see this page. You will easily be able to get a free cash card that you can use it afterwards. Now, after owning this card, you simply have to go to Binance.com. You can install the app as well. After that, you simply have to create an account. After creating an account, as you guys can see, I am at the Binance, and now I'm going to click on deposit, and I'm going to click on buy crypto. Now, buy crypto, will let me buy crypto. So here I'm going to, select the amount of money that I want to spend, and what are the currency that I'm buying. So I'm going to select BTC right here, and suppose I want to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. After that, you simply have to click on verify and buy. Now it wants me to verify my account. After verifying my account, I will easily be able to put my card, which should be this card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.